Hey there, have you caught the buzz around the brand new Toyota battery plant coming into Liberty, North Carolina? Well, today we're diving into 3 charming little towns that might not be on your radar yet. What's the common thread? They're all super convenient to the new Toyota plant, so stay tuned because one of these hidden gems might just be the perfect fit for you and your family. I'm Nicholas Newcomer, your friendly neighborhood real estate expert here in the heart of North Carolina. Buckle up because today we're taking a ride through Liberty, Siler City, and Snow Can, all nestled close to the soon-to-be Toyota battery plant. Now hold on because this plant is still in the building phase and set to be completed by 2025. Let's kick things off with a trip to Liberty, North Carolina, where the town's report card is looking pretty impressive. According to niche.com, Liberty deserves a solid B overall, and they got some high marks in certain areas. Brace yourself for the good news. Liberty snags an A- for its wallet-friendly cost of living, a respectable B for outdoor activities, and its real gem for families with its top-notch housing options and public schools. Now let's zoom in a bit. Liberty may be cozy with its population of just 2,660 people, but don't let its size fool you. This rural town is big on charm. The median household income here hovers around $41,657, which means there's some green to go around. But wait, there's more. The housing market in Liberty has been sizzling lately, with the median house price soaring to around $315,000. If you're not ready to commit to buying a house just yet, fear not. Renting in Liberty is also an option, with 3-bedroom houses available at an average monthly rate of around $1,400. So whether you're looking to settle down or just passing through, Liberty's got something for everyone. Let's dive into the colorful world of Liberty, where independent reviews paint a picture that's as charming as a countryside sunset. People just can't stop gushing about the cozy hometown vibes that wrap around you like a warm hug when you call Liberty home. Forget about the hustle and bustle of a big city life like in Greensboro. Here it's all about taking it easy. Don't be surprised if you spot a tractor or two chugging along the roads, adding to the town's unique charm. But what really stands out is the remarkable low crime rate. Liberty is one of those places where you can sleep easy at night, and if you're a fan of mom and pop shops over the usual big chain restaurants, you're in for a treat. Liberty is your playground for discovering hidden gems and savoring delicious local flavors. Now let's talk about education. Liberty takes its schooling seriously with top-rated public and private schools that are sure to impress. Safety conscious, you'll be pleased to hear that Liberty ranks well nationally for low violence and property crime rates, making it a heaven for peace-loving folks. For those who like to get outdoors, Liberty has a secret weapon, the Freedom Park. This 20-acre outdoor wonderland is a paradise for the entire family. Picture this: lighted baseball and softball fields, soccer fields, volleyball courts, and not one but 4 sparkling tennis courts. Kids can let loose on the playgrounds, complete with swings, seesaws, slides, and sandboxes. There are plenty of picnic tables and grills scattered around the park, making it the perfect spot for a family feast. And the best part, Freedom Park gates swing open from 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. April through October, and from 7 a.m. to sunset, November through March. Now, if you're a Liberty local, we'd love to hear your take. What's your favorite thing about this charming small town? Or is there anything you'd like to change? Let me know in the comments below. Next up is the town of Siler City, North Carolina. Siler City has undergone quite the growth spurt in the last 15 to 20 years, and it's making waves on the livability scale. Niche.com has awarded Siler City an overall grade of a respectable B-, and there's more to this town than meets the eye. In the affordability department, Siler City takes a bow with a solid B+ for its cost of living. The great outdoors are just a stone throw away, with a B rating for outdoor activities, and the job market, public schools, and daily commute all earn a solid B as well, with nearly 7,800 residents in Siler City, all for a friendly community to call home. The median household income clocks in at around $40,500, while the current median home sales price hovers at $400,000. $100,000. Prices have been on a roller coaster ride within the recent months, witnessing a surge after a period of decline. Now, if you're on the hunt for a rental, you can expect to dish out around $970 per month in Siler City. Not too shabby. And when it comes to education, Siler City takes the cake, ranking 3rd for best public schools in Chatham County. Plus, it's the 25th spot for places with the lowest cost of living in the Greensboro area, and the 15th most diverse suburb in North Carolina. Let's dive into what the locals have to say. Siler City boasts a tranquil atmosphere with the reviews raving about the delightful downtown scene filled with charming shops, coffee lovers, and ice cream enthusiasts. You're in luck. Siler City serves up some fantastic coffee shops and sweet spots for your cravings. If you love art, you can explore the local galleries and snag some homegrown artwork. But that's not all. Siler City's strategic location makes it a commuter's dream. It's a hop, skip, and jump away from the RTP area, ensuring an easy drive to Chapel Hill, Durham, or Raleigh. Now let's address safety. Niche.com gave Siler City a C in the crime and safety department. To put your mind at ease, here are some of the rankings for violent and property crimes in the area. Also, here's a map from neighborhoodscout.com showing the safest to most dangerous areas. For wine enthusiasts, Siler City proudly hosts Fire Clay Winery. They got a plethora of wines for you to savor in the charming wine tasting room, open from 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pair your wines with some light snacks or catch a food truck on weekends. Looking for an event space, Fire Clay Winery has got you covered with 2 rental options. So whether you're seeking a peaceful community, top-notch education, or a sip of local wine, Siler City has something special in store for you. Let's wrap up our journey by heading over to Snow Camp, North Carolina. Snow Camp might not be the most bustling town around, but it's certainly got its own unique charm. According to Niche.com, Snow Camp boasts a solid B overall rating, but there are some shining stars in its report card. First off, the cost of living here is a wallet-friendly A-. It's a welcoming spot for families with a grade of a B for good for families. When it comes to housing and outdoor activities, Snow Camp earns a respectable B, making it as a cozy heaven for those who appreciate the great outdoors. Diversity gets a nod with another B, while the commute in public schools scores a B-. Around 6,200 people have chosen Snow Camp as their home sweet home. The median household income stands tall at approximately $64,500. If you got your heart set on a single family home here, be prepared to shell out around $399,525. Renting in Snow Camp, a 3-bedroom home will set you back around $1,400 a month. Now, Snow Camp isn't exactly a bustling metro area. It's as rural as it gets, and cattle farms dot the landscape. But don't let the tranquility fool you, because Snow Camp has its own unique treasure, an outdoor theater. They put on a variety of shows throughout the year, and I'll leave a link to their calendar in the description below. Plus, for the creative souls, Snow Camp offers a range of camps and classes to get those creative juices flowing. So if you're seeking a peaceful retreat with a touch of culture and plenty of open spaces, Snow Camp might just be your place you would love to call home. There we have the top 3 cities near the new Toyota plant. Which one did you like the best? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. And to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. I release new videos every Friday. If you have any questions or are looking to buy, sell, or invest in the area, call or text me at 336-266-8976 or email me at nicholas.newcomer@exprealty.com. I hope you have seen some value in this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.